Welcome to the Water Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. If you haven't followed our Facebook page, just click that follow button and help us grow. Futhi kunjani?
Yaphela kanjani mthombo?
Sharp, thanks man.
Ngiyaphilela.
Abangakwazi mfethu uba igama lakho and ubuya kuphi?
Manuel waMangobeni,
Yeah,
all the way from Mbombela, Nelspruit.
Bombela.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Chase Galaxy.
Sila.
Silazi.
Ngiyadumuza.
Yatumuza. Namta situmuzele frazi.
Simezele phrase namhlanje.
Irocket iflyile.
Yeah.
Ivele yasuka. Bayifike eFrance istakile sekufuna isuke eMexico.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sizokwenzani la? Tshena ababukeli bethu sizokwenzani la?
Makudlala ibhola kuna up until position 11.
Yeah.
Sinamhla soba position 12.
Oh, position 12.
Yeah.
Eyane yesiyadumuza noma eyani?
Ebafana
Oh,
bafana.
bafana. Oh, namhlanje sizanga ngokudumuza.
Namhla sidumuza.
Bana kunesidumuze futhi bafana.
Lesolesa le spirit sokuthi hayi siyadumuza but hayi sibafana bafana mhla.
Yeah.
It's just one position 12 kuphela.
Phela nje ne?
Yeah, so badlala nga-12 ama-player lapho.
Yeah. Sizo attend le game le South Korea nebafana bafana.
Yeah.
Ubhekile iSouth Africa izwenza kahle la.
Hayi no, ihope ikhona kakhulu.
Ekhanyile. Cela ucishe lapho inomsindo. Hey, siyaxolisa. Sinomuntu babathu ukhanyile la usupport iRichards Bay. Ahlupha.
Usemoyeni lo muntu.
Ozola uzobingelela babukhanyile.
Usemoyeni khanyile.
Uzoxolisa ukuthi wawuba ngumsindo.
Babukeli umlandeli omkhulu weRichards Bay ukushaya kwaSami Message Day ngiyaxolisa angiqondile ukushaya lana kube yiphutha ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ningixolele bye
Uzoxolela. Yeah. Mobhekile sodlala kanje buyi advert leya. Mobhekile sodlala kanjani?
Hayi no, siyawina ndoda, siyawina. Score nje 3-1 or 2-1.
3-1. Ubani ucounta ngakwara la magola u3 noma u2?
Apolis. Mbona kora Apolis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then njengoba silana mina nawe asikhokhanga. Simane sizibhusene.
Hey, ndoda.
Ungathini nje kubaxhasi bethu especially uminister wethu uminister Vincent McKenzie.
Mackenzie, hayi no, siyabonga kakhulu man. You know this thing before we used to see fans, the known fans always. Those are the ones always never attend.
Abaziwa, yeah.
But this time around, I change everything now.
Yeah.
Anyone. Yabona nje sekuvele nami nje bekuzovela
Usula ngo-2010
sekuvele bile nje
ususeParis.
Pass.
Yeah.
So I opportunity siyayibonga kakhulu department iqhamuke I think ngathi ne-criteria le-better kakhulu.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
think ine-fairness kancane.
Yeah.
So than le bekhona before.
Yeah, and then kulaba baningi akuthina soda singene le competition. Thina at least benenhlanhla sawina. So kulaba angawinanga basemakhaya omukho umyalezo nje ukubakhuthaza ngabapower.
Hayi mina basebranchini yami nje they know. First group winele 1.
Okay, yeah.
Besiwine sonke la. As long as sibona le 1 wethu.
Exactly.
Hayi bese hit.
Awemnandi yeah.
So besina just one delegate kuphela also represent kuphela. Bonakala ukuthi kubafana bafana ikhona iTS Galaxy.
Exactly, yeah.
So kubo labakhona spirit vele banami sisonke.
Number 1.
So it was a lucky fan. So obvious only one.
Nazo hayi.
So I know next time inhlanhla toba kulo muntu.
Exactly. Akubatshela ukuthi ukusuka eMbombela uzofikela uhamba isikhathi esingakanani?
Yo,
uqale kuphi waya kuphi then njengoba sesifike sisazala yes saqhubeka manje saya eMexico but until sifika la eParis
sukela ngo-11 Kruger
11 ekuseni
11
yeah
ngode ngo-12 until ngofika ngo-1
yeah
OR Tambo.
Okay, yeah.
From there ngalungisa everything. Boarding, passport, whatever.
Yeah.
Until ngaze sasuka ngo-7 to 7. 10 to 7
10 past 7 suke 10 past 7
10
yeah.
past 7 or
Kumele suke ngo-10 to 7
yeah so somewhere past 7 up until ubusuku bonke nje sifika nyalo ekuseni
ngo-6
so kahle hayi the whole day and night
yeah
hayi
and sazohamba futhi.
asangafiki nyalo sasohamba the whole day until ebusuku namuhla so sifike eMexico nje
yeah ngo-9
ma-9
exactly no hayi siyabonga kakhulu mfethu
Hayi,
asithemba ukuthi
siyabonga.
sobadumuza ngama-rockets asembombela le eMexico
kakhulu
Siyabonga
khona
kakhulu.
ngibona sibhoko lesi
yeah and
Sine
mangibona
South
bengicabanga
Africa
ukuthi ubaba uThimi usukaphi mangibona lapha. Okay. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you also to the Minister of Sports, Minister Caitlin McKenzie, and also other sponsors about Honor, Old School, everyone who has sponsors us. So thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Also on our Facebook channel, just click that follow button and help us reach 100,000 followers. Thank you so much.